Hey.
Hey.
It's a door. Good value? Yes or no?
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's one of the lot thicker than that. They normally have the big, thick one.
Roast, you mean? You're looking for a thick roast?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the one, yeah. Right on, mate. That's good value. Yeah, make a few of them. Good for pasta. Sausages. They look good. That looks good.
Good. What are these steak pies or beef pies?
You've got a tradie pie, a beef pie, and then a chicken leek at the front.
Which one's a chicken and leek?
Chicken leek's right in the front.
Can I freeze them?
Yeah. Oh, they
Are they?
thawed.
They're already thawed.
Nice.
Okay. Do you have frozen ones or no? They just
Yeah,
come.
we do have frozen ones. I can get you a frozen one that you can just put it straight in the freezer when you get home.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Yeah.
Have you had one yourself?
Yeah, they're really good.
The leek, the chicken ones.
Yeah, the chicken and leek's probably my favourite.
How much are they?
I think they're $8.99.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll get one. Thanks.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There we go.
Sweet. Oh yeah. This is good stuff. Let's get some tissues, huh? Am I in the right aisle for tissues, mate?
Nah, mate, next aisle over.
Next one?
No, sorry, two lanes over, last aisle.
Okay. All right.
Halfway up on the left.
Do you need a bag?
Yeah, I do. Thanks.
Because that's got a tow bar on the outside, tow all my